Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on Ghost Mode on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to turn on Ghost Mode in Snapchat gives you control over your privacy and location sharing. And by enabling Ghost Mode, you can prevent your friends or contacts from seeing your current location on the Snap Map feature. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open Snapchat app on your device. And then here you can open Map tabs. And then look for settings icon at the corner and tap on it. Okay, so now the way to turn on Ghost Mode, simply turn this jiggle on like this. Select one of several options here. Okay, so now the Ghost Mode on your Snapchat app is successfully turned on. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn on Ghost Mode on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.